Car Locksmith Minneapolis. Fast Eddys Keys Express, Minneapolis. We service Minneapolis and the surrounding suburbs. We're fully insured and bonded. We've been in business for 38 years. We make most car keys. So when you're looking for a car locksmith near me, Minneapolis, call me, Fast Eddy, from Fast Eddys Keys Express. Car Locksmith Minneapolis provides emergency car lockout service. We also provide car ignition repair and replacement. We also provide car key replacement when your car keys are stolen or misplaced. And as a Car Locksmith Minneapolis, we also program keys to your ignition and computer. Not to mention, car fobs and remotes can be programmed by us as well. And we happen to be very friendly, and we provide same-day service as well in most cases. While there is a couple of cars we cannot make keys for, most car keys we can make. I'm Edward Mann from Fast Eddys Keys Express, Car Locksmith Minneapolis. Have a good day.